In this video, we will discuss copying lists. You have list 1, you want to copy it to another list. So can you write it like this? List 1 assigned to list 2. Now, this is not the real copy. This is just assign the reference of list 1 to list 2. So please recall, all data in Python are objects. The variables are merely the reference to the objects. So suppose you have these two lists already, list 1 and list 2. Before the assignment, this is what you see now. After the assignment, what happens is now you assign list 1's reference to list 2. Now, what about the object that was pointed by list 2? Now this becomes garbage, and the garbage is automatically collected by the Python interpreter. So you can look at this example here. I have these two lists, list 1, list 2. Now look at the ID for list 1 and ID for list 2. All right, and now after you perform this assignment, list 1 to list 2. So look at what is the ID for list 2. It's the same for list 1. To get a duplicate copy, you need to do this here. It is, you can use this list comprehension. So what is list 2? Oh, list 2 is all the elements from list 1 and using this list comprehension. Or you can simply write in this, you have an empty list plus another list. So then you get a new list that is list 2. That is all for copying lists. See you on the next video.